In this question, how many 176 ohm resistors connected in parallel are required to carry 5 amp of current on 220 volt line? So if you understand this question with a figure, in this figure, we have n resistors connected in parallel, but we don't know how many resistors are present, but it's confirmed that total current of this circuit must be equal to 5 ampere and the total voltage is 220 volt. So what we can do, we can use the Ohm's law and we can find the total resistance present in the system. So we know that V is equal to IR, V is 220 volt, current is 5 ampere. So the resistance is equal to 220 by 5. So it is 44 ohm. So this is the total resistance, or we can write equivalent resistance is 44 ohm. And according to the question, individual resistance or each of the resistance magnitude is 176 ohm. So what we can do, we can use the total resistance formula in parallel. So in parallel arrangement, total resistance is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So we already got the total resistance, it's 44, and individual resistance is 1 by 176 ohm. But we don't know how many resistance is present. So let's assume that total resistance is N. So it will go till N number of terms. So we can write it as 1 by 44 is equal to N upon 176 ohm. How this N is formed? See, if you add 1 plus 1, it is 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Same way, if we have n number of registers, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 till n, it is total is equal to n. So same way, if we add all the 1 values, so total will be equal to the n. So from here, we can say that n is equal to 176 upon 44. So it will go by 4 times. So total resistance used is equal to 4. So we can say that if we have 4 resistance and when we combine all of it, so total current required will be 5 ampere when the voltage is 220 volt. So this is the answer of this question.